Welcome to Rezell Dance TV with me, Monty Rezell. Today is Tutting Tuesday. We're going to work on some basic tuts to get you going in your tut journey. We're going to start by working on some drills and exercises so that you build the proper angles and shapes for tutting. So you're going to start with the beginner level combo, and by the time the video is over, you're going to have an intermediate level combo. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to establish your angles. So when you're working with your tuts, you want to know how to establish your 90-degree angles. So first thing you're going to do is just start with a blade, fingers together, make a clean straight line. From there, you're going to tut your wrist. You have a 90-degree angle at your wrist. Touch your wrist the other way. You're going to try to form a 90-degree angle that way as well. So you have straight line, you have a tut at your wrist. Go the other way, you have a tut at your wrist. Now, in order for you to be able to get your 90-degree angles and have your clean lines, clean angles, clean lines, you have to stretch and warm up and stretch your wrists. So what you need to do is put your arms out in front of you, make a fist. Don't move your arms or your elbows, and rotate your wrists all the way around. Then you go the other way. Can you hear my wrist popping like that? Wow. One more time. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Other way. Boom, boom, boom. Make a circle like this. Put your thumbs on top of your fingertips and flick your fingers. You're going to create tension, then flick. Create tension, then flick. 10 flicks. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. 20 flicks. Ready, tension. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Good job. Stretch your wrists. Tut. Place your hand on top. Stretch it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Stretch it. Here's your tut. Place your hand on top. Apply tension. Stretch it. 1. Not too much. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. This is the touch you want. Stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand. This one is my bad tut. Ooh, have a wrist injury, so I'm trying to get that flexibility back. So what do I have to do? I have to stretch it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Put your hands together. From here, you're going to stretch this tut by pressing your wrists down and keep your elbows where they are. Keep your elbows where they are. Press your wrists down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Other way. Now, your elbows are going to stay where they are and your wrists are going to go up. 10, 9, 8, 7, stretch, 6, stretch, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it out, roll it out, roll it out, roll out, roll out, roll out, shake it, roll out, shake it, roll out, shake it. All right, good job. All right, you're going to start by establishing your basic tut angles. We're going to use 3 major angles for this beginner exercise combination. So the first thing you have to do is establish your first angle. This is 0. This is your first angle. We have blades, first angle. Yeah. This is an inside box. Real easy. Double tut. You're making this, you see the shape you're making? Keep that clean. Cool. That's the first technique you need. The second one you need is your box over your right shoulder or left shoulder. So you start with the first angle we established, and from here you connect this imaginary line. Boom, your fingers don't have to touch, but imagine that there is a line that connects your fingertips to close the shape to create the box. Yeah? So you're working on your box. Boom. You need to work the box on the other side as well. So we start with this shape. We connect it. Start with this shape. Connect your box. Imaginary line. Start with this shape. Connect your box. So now we established the first two shapes that we're going to use. From here, we tut our wrists. From here, we make a box. We're going to also drop this box down. So it's the same shape. You just flip it down to the bottom. Flip it down to the bottom. You start with this shape. You're gonna drop your hand down. Your elbow is straight. The hand that's in the center is with your torso. In the center of your torso, it's lined up with your sternum, and then you just flip it down. So you have this shape. So everybody should now look like this. This elbow is not like this. It's straight. These fingers are now pointing down, and this is your shape. Shake it out. Another shape we're going to use, go back to here, make your box, push your box through to the other side. From here, push your box through to the other side. This hand is pushing. This wrist is flipping. Ready? Go. Push it through. Boom. Bring it back. Boom. Push it through. Boom. Bring it back. Boom. Shake it out. All right. You have those three basic ideas. Now we're going to do a basic combo that you can repeat over and over again to practice how to use those shapes and how to put it into a dance combination. We're going to start with our hands in a prayer formation. Make a sandwich like we were doing when we were stretching. And point your fingers down. This is your combo number 1. This is basic. We're going to start off with the basic. Then it's going to get a little bit more advanced and then a little bit more advanced after that. All right, here we go. Basic combo. We're going to start this with our fingers facing down. Put your hands together. Flip your fingers down. This is where we start. Here's the basic combo. Then it's going to get a little bit more advanced, then a little bit more advanced. This is flip your fingers up on 1. Make your box on 2. Flip your box down on 3. Switch your box to the other side on 4. Bring your box up on 5. Open up on 6. Outside tut on 7. Reset on 8. And you're going to repeat the cycle. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Freeze. Let's do that with some music. The Midas, touch. Fingers palms together. Fingers face down. Take it slow. 5, 6, 7, half tempo. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. That tempo. Take it slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Ha. 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 Hey. You got it. 2 in a row. Here we go. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Again. Hey, give yourself a hand. All right, good job. You got that basic tut. Now from here, we're gonna add a little bit more to it. We're gonna add a little bit of spice to it. So we're gonna start the same way. 1, 2, 3. Here's where it gets a little different. Instead of going straight to here on 4, we're gonna go and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Here's where it gets a little different. And 6. Start over from here. Flip it up on 1. Tut on 2. Drop your box on 3. Touch and switch it 4. Bring it up on 5 like usual. Now push it through. Flip your box to the outside. And 6. 7 is the same. 8 is the same. Let's try it. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. You got that? Let's do it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. One more time, slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Hey, how did you do? Try that again. Tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. How did you do? 2 times in a row. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Give yourselves a hand. Good job. Good job. Rotate your wrists. Stretch them out. Make sure you keep them flexible and safe. Do all of these stretches. Do your finger flicks. Practice your tut combinations. You have a basic, an intermediate, and an advanced combination from this video. Watch this video as many times as you need. Pause and practice if you need to. And I'll see you next time. Peace.